Yo, what's going on, everybody? Sean's Quality Services back with another video. Man, I'm in my old new space. I pretty much stopped dealing with the basement for a while, not because I had things that I needed to take care of that pertain more so to upstairs. So I didn't really have time to really come down here to my basement. After I had it already set up and everything for, for me to do vlogging or video editing or photo printing, all that good stuff. I had it already set up and I had to move everything back upstairs, and it was just a total clutter. So what am I here for today? Well, I'm going to show everybody my clutter space and pretty much what I have going on down here, and I'm gonna make a few hooks to pretty much so I can pretty much hang some stuff that is necessary to hang, that I don't just want sitting on the floor because it costs money, So I'm gonna make some hangers and pretty much hang this stuff and try to clean it up a little bit down here, little by little. This is another freestyle video, number 2 or 3. I forgot which number. It's been a while since I made a vlog, but I'm back on it. I got a little bit of time, and I'm going to go ahead and clean the space up. So let's go ahead and get it. Alright, y'all, so pretty much this right here is the vlogging space, and pretty much let me just go ahead and show what's going on. Alright, so let's go ahead and show what's going on over here in the vlogging space. So here I am. This is starting from left to right. So let's go ahead and this is what's going on. And pretty much the stuff that you see over here in this section has to get cleaned up. It has to. So that's what I'm going to work on. So let me go ahead and start working on that. Got it there. And I'm going to raise it up a little bit. Like so. Group it together to, why not? Well, not group it together, but level it out. It's leveled. Alright. It's a funky little hanger, but again, all I needed to do is just fit. I just need it to work. So let me do 25. Make it a little wider. There you go. I'm cool with that right there. I can go. I can't go too wide right here, but let me see from glass to that. How much room I got to work with. Okay, I got a nice little waves. So, alright, that's 25. I'll go 25 with this too. Bang. And we're going to print it. Alright, y'all, so finally got finished with the piece. What this piece is, of course, it's going to hold my bag. Close it up. I just needed to be held, pretty much from the strap right here. That doesn't need to be perfect. I can tell you this piece definitely isn't perfect. Let me see. I see what I need to do. I need to make the mouth of this a lot more thicker. Alright, so I have it all complete, and I'm going to print. And let's see how we got 33 minutes and 57 seconds. So I'm going to let this thing do what it do. Alright, so hopefully this is the last one. Just got finished. Made it a little wider. And I made it the correct way. So let's see if it fits. Boom, it fits. And let's try this part too. I don't know what I did wrong on that, but I thought I made that the way that it was supposed to. That's gonna kind of bother me. Do 40. Break them all. Alright, and I believe this time this is going to work. Alright, now this is the last one. I hope so. I had to make some adjustments, and this is the third one. This is the second one, and this right here was the first one. As you can see, big changes. But I hope this one right here works, so let's see. Alright. Where's my light at? I need to turn the light on. Alright. It's more like it. Check that out. Fits like a glove. Now, let's see. Boom. Just what I needed. And it works. And it took 1, 2, and then 3. And boom. That one fits like a glove. Check it out. Could have went a little bit bigger, but I'm actually satisfied with that one. And this is how my bag is going to sit. Easy access. Pretty much I sit right here. I can just reach over, open the bag up, and boom. But yes, the Bamboo Lab has struck again. And I am pleased with the ending product. Look, y'all, this is what it's all about. At least for me. You know, I found something that I like doing. You know, so I'm not going to stop. You know, I can pick this camera up and I can record what I'm doing, and I'm going to continue to do it. I don't care if it's 2-3 videos a day. However much time that I have to create a video and post it. And, you know, it's just content, you know, for anybody that wants to get into 3D printing or just likes my ambition. Sean's Quality Services, signing out. Hey, look, this right here was another freestyle. Freestyle number 2 or freestyle number 3. I don't know, but I'm keeping it going. Signing out, Sean Quality Services. Have a good day.